are going to work in the 3rd grade MyMath book, pages 99 and 100 today. We're going to talk about adding 3-digit numbers. When you add, you may need to regroup. To regroup means to rename a number using the place value. Math in my world. Looking for me? During a weekend trip to Vermont, the Wildlife Club saw 127 wrens, that's a kind of bird, and 58 eagles, that's our national bird. How many wrens and eagles did the Wildlife Club see? So we have 127 wrens and 58 eagles. So we're going to add the ones. 7 plus 8 would be 15. We are going to need to regroup. So I'm going to put a 10 up here. I have 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 50 is 80, and 100, still 100. So if I estimate 127, we round that to the nearest 100, which would be 100. And 58, if I rounded that, it would be 58 with the 5 would turn into a 6 because the 8 is larger, so that would be close to 60. So it's about 160, and our actual answer was 185. So we were very close. When you add the ones, see 7 plus 8 was 5, and then we had a 10 extra, so 15. We regroup that 10. 10 plus 20 plus 50 is 80, and 100 drops down. So 185 is a close estimate of 160, which is the number that we rounded earlier. It goes right here, it's our estimate. So the answer is reasonable because 127 plus 58 is 185. So the Wildlife Club saw 185 wrens and eagles. Let's go to page 100. One box of butterfly nets cost $175. Another box cost $225. How much did the boxes of nets cost altogether? Write a number sentence to find the unknown. 175 plus 225, and this square means unknown because that's what we're solving for. So now let's add our ones. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we're going to put the 0 here and the 1. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. So I'm going to put that 0 here and put 1 more, because that means I have 10 tens. 100 plus 100 is 200, plus 200 is 400. So the answer is 400. Use the commutative property to check your answer. No matter which order you add, the sum would be the same. So here we have 175 at the top, 225 at the bottom. Here we're going to flip those. 225 at the top, 175 at the bottom. The answer would still be 400, so $400. The unknown is 400, and the net cost is 400. Guided practice. Let's add. 4 plus 7 is 11. So we have 1, and we're going to regroup that other 10 for the 11 in the tens place because 10 plus 1 is 11. 6 plus 1 is 8, which is actually 80. 60 plus 10 is 80. And that's 100. Just drop it down. And here we have 6 plus 9 is 15. So I know I have a 5 in the ones and a 10 because 15 is 10 plus 5. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 80. And then 1 plus 2 is 300.